This verse from Sanskrit describes the cause of the five elements of ether, etc., and how they contain ignorance associated with consciousness. It explains that this ignorance has a preponderance of tamas, which is one of the three gunas, or qualities that make up the universe. The other two gunas are sattva and rajas. The verse explains how, at the time of creation, the qualities of sattva, rajas, and tamas are reproduced in the five elements, with akasha, that is ether, containing the most sattva, and the earth containing the most tamas. In accordance with the law of cause and effect, the qualities of the cause will determine the qualities of the effect. Thus, the ignorance associated with consciousness is the cause of the five elements, and its preponderance of tamas is reproduced in them. This verse refers to the five basic elements of nature, also known as 10 matras, which includes ether, air, fire, water, and earth. These elements are subtle and in their rudimentary state, meaning that they possess only their own characteristic attributes. They are also uncompounded elements, meaning that they are unmixed with one another. When the elements are first evolved, they are unable to participate in any action and have no gross forms. The gross ether is a combination of the original subtle ether with the other four subtle elements in a fixed proportion. These verses in combination describe the creation of subtle bodies and gross elements, and it states that these elements arise from subtle elements, which are known as Linga Shariras, and have 17 components. These components are the five organs of perception, which are ears, skin, eyes, tongue, and nose. Then comes intellect, the mind, and the five organs of action and vital forces. The verses then explain that these organs of perception are produced separately from the sattva particles of ether, air, fire, water, and earth. This means that each sense organ arises from a particle of a different element, rather than all of them arising from a combination of all elements. Ears arise from the particles of ether, the skin from those of air, the eyes from those of fire, the tongue from those of water, and the nose from those of earth. Today, we delved into the concept of Linga Shariras, the subtle bodies that serve as the bridge between individual consciousness and cosmic reality. Comprised of 17 components, like sense organs, and the mind. Each Linga Sharira is fascinatingly crafted from different elements. For example, ears emerge from ether, and eyes from fire, underlining our deep connection to the universe. Understanding, Linga Shariras elevates our perception of human existence, linking us to the broader cosmos. It's more than spiritual insight. It's a pathway to understanding the complex tapestry of life and existence.